Hello everyone. Today we will start new chapter of organic chemistry, alcohols, phenols and ether. Alcohols ROH and phenol ring attached with OH group, and third is the ether ROR. First, what are alcohols? What are phenols? The compound obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom from aliphatic hydrocarbon by hydroxyl group is known as alcohol. And phenols are obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom of aromatic hydrocarbon by OH group. Is phenol. And third category is the third functional group is the ether. Ether, the substitution of hydrogen atom in a hydrocarbon by alkoxy group. Alkoxy group means OR, or you can say RO, or aryl oxy group ARO, forms a new class of compound known as ether. This is the aliphatic hydrocarbon, this is the aromatic hydrocarbon. In aliphatic hydrocarbon, one hydrogen atom is replaced by OR group. Then ether is formed. In this is the aromatic hydrocarbon, one hydrogen atom is replaced by OR group. This formed C6H5OR. Now in this chapter, students, in this chapter we will study about the preparation, properties and uses of alcohols, phenols and ether. So now first of all we will discuss about alcohol. So first is the alcohol. So now alcohols are the compound containing hydroxyl group, means OH group, attached to alkyl group. Example, methanol, ethanol. Alcohols are also called aliphatic alcohol. This is also called ROH, is also called aliphatic alcohol. Now the classification of alcohol. The alcohols classified as monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric. Monohydric example is methanol, means one OH group is attached. And dihydric means example is glycol. There are two OH groups are attached. In trihydric alcohol, three OH groups are attached. In polyhydric, many OH groups are attached. Now the classification of alcohols in category of 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. 1 degree primary, or 2 degree means secondary, and 3 degree means tertiary. In case of primary alcohol, or you can say 1 degree alcohol, the alkyl group, this is the alkyl group. In this primary alcohol, there is one or none alkyl group is present. There is a no alkyl group or this is a one alkyl group is present. It means methyl, ethyl, ye both are primary. In 2 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohols have two alkyl groups on the carbon atom bonded to OH group. In 3 degree alcohols, there are 3 alkyl groups on carbon atom bonded to OH group. Isomerism in alcohol. So alcohol show chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism and optical isomerism. First is the chain isomerism. In chain isomerism, the isomer differ in the chain of carbon atoms attached to hydroxy group. For example, OH, you can write 1, 2 OH group. Means this is a butanol. Butane, you can say one all, E is removed, means butanol. And the 2 methyl, propane one all, propane one all. So in chain isomerism, the both isomer differ in the chain of carbon atom, like this way, attached to the hydroxy group. And second is the position isomerism. In position isomerism, in position isomerism, the isomer differ in the position of hydroxy group. Position of hydroxy group. Means chain is same, but The position of OH group is different. You can write this is the butanol. Butane one all. One butanol. This is the position 1, 2. 2 butanol. Means the position of hydroxy group change. And third, functional isomerism. Functional isomerism. In functional isomerism, the isomer differ in the functional group. For example, CH3, CH2, OH. This is the ethanol. Means alcoholic group is there. You can write this way. This is the ether group. Dimethyl ether. And fourth is the optical isomerism. In optical isomerism, monohydric alcohol containing chiral carbon atom exhibit optical isomerism. The example of optical isomerism. CH3 OH, this is a C2H5 and H. The mirror image you can write in this way. This is a mirror image. This is an enantiomer CH3 and C2H5. The butane 1, 2, 3, 4. So butane 2-ol. This is also butane 2-ol. So alcohols show 4 type of isomerism: chain, position, functional and optical isomerism.